big fan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
You're the reason why I started like getting into motorcycles.
Oh, you kidding me?
Bro, he doesn't need to hear this.
No.
Yeah,
My brother. Thank you. Thank you so much, man. What's your name? Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vloggy vlog as we are cruising in Brooklyn, New York. And I am on my way to Two Wheel Tuesday at Triumph, Brooklyn. And it's like a weird drizzly day, and I'm actually super tired. And I can't say I'm particularly in the mood for this nonsense, to socialize and to do all this, but I kind of want to support my bro. I have a lot of bros who work at Triumph Brooklyn. You know, the enemy motorcycle brand. We'll check him out. I'm literally gonna stop by for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna say hello, and I'm gonna head back. You know what I mean? I'm certainly not going to hang out for a long time, but 10 minutes, maybe 20, sure. Just a long day. Started out super stressful with some silly projects. So, burned a lot of energy on nerves first thing in the morning. So now I'm just like drained, bro. But Brooklyn Triumph is not far at all, and you know, I'm just gonna spend 10 minutes there. Let's not bitch and complain. You're gonna have food, you're gonna have a DJ, this and that. I'm actually stuffed to the brim. I had massive lunch today. I had arroz con pollo. No, that's not true. That's not what I had. I had the beans and rice with Dominican beef stew. I forget what he called it, like carne and potatoes or some shit. Carne patata. Who knows? You're good, bro. You're chilling. You're alright. Man, this guy is freaking wiggling. I forgot what this person called it. Carne something rather. Man, wearing glasses sucks. I don't need glasses for driving, but I need glasses for reading. But for example, there's a chick across the street who looks really hot, and I cannot tell if she actually is hot or if I just can't see. Alright, and this Triumph Brooklyn is literally just up this way. Just up the street. Right down Metropolitan. Be there in a second. Look at these doofuses, man. Look how freaking long it takes people to take off. we go. Illegal left, illegal right. How we gonna do tonight? Let's see what we got. Ooh, we got more hotties. Oh, actually, you know what? I saw the prime spot, had to take it.
Yeah.
Oh. Phew, sweet. Hey, thank you, sir. All right. Let's see. All right. Ladies and gents, we are leaving Triumph Brooklyn after a little bit of a two-wheel Tuesday. We're gonna take a quick ride home. It was a nice turnout, lots of good friends, old friends, new friends. All right. Always a pleasure. Good event, good job. You did it. Your dream of two-wheel Tuesday at Triumph has been accomplished.
We achieved the unachievable.
Exactly.
Hey, big fan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
You're the reason why I started like getting into motorcycles.
Oh, you kidding me?
Yeah.
No way.
I'm right at the bottom over there. I mean,
Oh, shit.
again, I was like,
Hell yeah.
you guys should take some tips on the line. Like,
Bro, he doesn't need to hear this.
No, but,
do you have too much of a big ego right now?
wait, well, what's your name, brother?
Hey,
Nice to meet you. Pleasure. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
We were watching because we have the same bike.
Oh, that's you on there. Oh, hell yeah. So you watch the vloggies?
Yeah, a little vlog.
My brother.
Yo, good seeing
Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much, man. What's your name? Vaz. Nice to meet you. Pleasure. We gotta do like, I'm gonna do like a little ride one of these days, like a little meetup, maybe like some coffee and we just cruise about. Yeah. So that'd be fun. Thank you so much for coming up. Thank you, brother. Ride safe. That was nice. I completely fucking spaced out. I forgot that I'm vlogging. Am I recording? I am recording. This is ridiculous. Yeah, so I just left Triumph Brooklyn, and I had some fellas come up, show love, show appreciation for the vlog, which is amazing, which is an amazing feeling, man. Such a cool feeling. Shit, I don't know what to say. Sorry. Just fucking blessed, I guess. What a weird vlog. Thank you guys. I'm like literally just like processing the fact that I get to hang out with my friends, ride my motorcycle, go to these little events and whatnot, and meet people who watch the vloggy. That's freaking sick. The man said I inspired him to get into motorcycles, and he got a Bonneville. Well, I don't know if that's exactly what he said, but I'm also very excited. Thank you guys, really appreciate it. You're gonna be in a vloggy. You are in a vloggy. This is the vloggy. I'm a little bit disheveled. Things are okay. What a beautiful day. I'm glad I went. This light, baby, please. We got this. All right, well, that concludes the short little ride. Thank you for watching. Bye.